Hello friends, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we understood pranayam more from theoretical perspective and its ratio. And in this video, we are going to learn about different techniques of pranayam which are mentioned in Hat Pradipika and Garen Sahita, which are ancient yogic texts. So let's get started. According to this ancient yogic textbook, there are total 8 different types of pranayam, which are Anulom Vilom, Surya Bhedan Pranayam, Chandra Bhedan Pranayam, Strika, Brahmari, Ujjayi, Sheetli and Sheetkari. And in this video, we are going to discuss the techniques of first 4 pranayam, which are Anulom Vilom, Surya Bhedan Pranayam, Chandra Bhedan Pranayam and Bhastrika. Make Pranav Mudra from your right hand. Now inhale from left nostril, exhale from right nostril, then again inhale from right nostril and exhale from left nostril. This is 1 round completed. Anulom Vilom. This pranayam balances the activity of both sides of the brain. Vilom with Kumbhak, which is also known as Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Again, inhale from left nostril. Now closing both nostril and hold for a while, apply Kumbhak. Now exhale from right nostril. Again inhale from right nostril. Close both the nostril, hold for a while and exhale from left nostril. This is 1 round completed. Now Surya Bhedan Pranayam. Inhale from right nostril and exhale from left nostril. This is 1 round completed. It shows positive effect on left hemisphere of the brain. It enhances a person's logical and reasoning ability. Now, Surya Bhedan with Kumbhak. Inhale from right nostril, closing both the nostril, hold for a while and exhale from left nostril. This is 1 round completed. Now Chandra Bhedan Pranayam, which is opposite of Surya Bhedan. In this, inhale from left nostril and exhale from right nostril. This is 1 round. It activates parasympathetic nervous system, which help to decrease in hypertension and heart rate. Now Chandra Bhedan with Kumbhak. Inhale from left nostril. Hold your breath by closing both nostrils and exhale from right nostril. This is 1 round. Now Bhastrika Pranayam. Exhale out 20 times like Kapalbhati. Forceful exhalation. Now inhale through right nostril and exhale from left nostril. This is 1 round completed. Bhastrika. It's strengthening the respiratory muscles. Now Bhastrika with Kumbhak. Again 20 times Kapalbhati. Inhale from right nostril Apply Kumbhak by closing both nostril, that is holding breath, and exhale from left nostril. This is one round completed. Hopefully this video helps you to understand different types of pranayam in its techniques. Make sure people with heart patient or BP patient should not perform Kumbhak. And in next video we are going to discuss next 4 pranayam techniques. So stay tuned. Dhanyawad.